All right, so today's video is a game changer. We're about to dive in the world of side hustles that can change your financial landscape. I put together 7 side hustles you could be doing to make tons of money with little to no investment required. Make sure you stay to the end because I'm going to show you the side hustle that brought me my first $50,000 working from home. All right, so our first side hustle is for all you wordsmiths out there. Right now, there is huge demand for freelance writing. And with the power of AI and ChatGPT, you could be making tons of money doing freelance writing without doing all of the hard work. Freelance writing on platforms like Fiverr and Upwork is not only in high demand, but can be very lucrative. Just imagine turning your passion for writing into a money-making venture. Whether it's blog posts, articles, or even copywriting, there's a huge market just waiting for your skill set. All right, so this is Upwork and it's completely free for you to go ahead and set up an account so that way you can start freelancing your services. So if you're providing writing services, once you create your profile, you can go right over here to the top where it says find work. And then what you're gonna do, you're just gonna go ahead and put in writing for search jobs. And then once you click on that, you're gonna be brought to a list of people who are looking for writing services. So you can go right over here on the side and you can say if you want them to be US only. If you wanna go ahead and drill down a little more and then make this only for writing, so just go ahead and type in writing. And then if you're doing content writing, you'll go ahead and click on that. And then as you see, there are tons of people looking for writing on here. And with the power of AI on your side, you can be a professional writer overnight. The key thing about using AI when writing is just knowing how to prompt your AI system so that way it doesn't look artificial and it's very easy for you to learn how to do that. But just look at all these jobs sitting right here for you, $25 to $60 an hour, $25 to $40 an hour. I mean, and there's just jobs here waiting for you. Budget right here, $150. Ghostwriter needed for true crime articles. This guy done spent $800 already. So there's tons of work out here for freelance writing if that's something that you want to dig into as a side hustle. Then you also have Fiverr. You can create your Fiverr profile, and then just like these other writers up here, you'll go ahead and offer your services on Fiverr for your writing services. Now, if you don't want to do the writing yourself, you could always use Fiverr to partner with another writer and then offer your services and then have somebody on Fiverr actually complete the job for you. This is a great side hustle where you can actually outsource all of the work and the only thing you're going to be doing is bringing in the customers. Next up, we have a powerhouse in the online marketing world, and that is affiliate marketing, and especially with ClickBank, one of the most well-known companies out there. The best thing about affiliate marketing is you don't need your own product. You simply promote other people's products and you earn a commission every time a sale is made. This is a great way for you to earn passive income from the comfort of your own home. Today, there's just so many platforms out there for you to be able to share your content with your affiliate offer that can reach thousands of people per day. You don't need to travel. You can work from the comfort of your own home and basically work from anywhere in the world. Affiliate marketing is one of the easiest entry points if you're looking to make money from home without investing a single dollar. It takes nothing for you to come to ClickBank, create your account, and then become an affiliate for some really good selling products. As you see, they have tons of categories that you can choose from. They have new offers, health and fitness, e-business and marketing, spirituality, self-help, home and garden, cooking, food and wine, green products, business investing. Affiliate marketing is a straightforward method for you to be able to make money from home without investing tons of money to get started. Simply pick out a good affiliate program that's paying a good amount of money and start building content around these products and including your affiliate link, and this can become a serious side hustle for you, if not a total income replacement once you learn how to do it. And that brings us to our next side hustle, which would be drop shipping. So if you're ready to dip your toes into e-commerce, our third side hustle is all about drop shipping. And with this side hustle, we can use a platform like Shopify and have those products shipped to your customer, and you never physically have to touch a product or deal with the headache of inventory. It's the ultimate business model for those who look looking for flexibility and scalability. Dropshipping has been around for a really long time. It's a great way for you to start an e-commerce business and not need to touch a single product. Now, if you don't know how to design a dropshipping website, it's very easy for you to go head on over to Fiverr and have somebody build you a dropshipping store, and this does not cost a lot of money for them to do this. So if you go to Fiverr, you can put on dropshipping and you'll see tons of designers on here who are willing to put together a Shopify dropship store ready to go for you, sometimes less than $100. Next, we have print on demand. If you have a flair for design, our next side hustle is tailored for you. Print on demand is a great way for you to be bringing your designs to life. If you're not skilled at design, you can always use a graphic designer to put the designs together for you, and this will save you a lot of time. Today, there's some really good companies out there that will print your materials and send them directly to your customer. So you don't need to stock physical inventory again. Only thing you're focusing on is bringing in new customers. You can offer print on demand service for all types of merchandise. Everything from coffee mugs to t-shirts, sweaters, hoodies, backpacks, promotional materials, and so much more. This presents an amazing opportunity for you to cash in on starting your own print on demand business. So this is another great side hustle for you to be able to start a business online where you don't physically need to touch a product. You can partner with a variety of print on demand companies. Shopify even has some print on demand functionality inside their backend, so that way you can set your website up to do print on demand. Or you can head on over to a site like Printful and then partner with them, and then they will do all of the printing and shipping for you. Only thing you're going to be doing is setting up your designs inside their back end, and then when a customer places an order, they will print that order up and send it directly to your customers on your behalf, and you get paid. All right, so let's get hands-on with some practical in-demand services that we can find on a platform like Thumbtack, where you can make tons of money by simply helping people mount their TVs. You don't have to be a professional. We live in a day and age where information is at your fingertips. So if you've never mounted a TV before, it's very simple for you to learn on YouTube, or maybe you have a friend who actually can show you the exact process on how to mount a TV onto a wall. Once you acquire this skill, there is so much money to be made on platforms like Thumbtack or Porch, where everyday people are in need of this service for you to come to their home and mount their TV on the wall. All right, so this is Thumbtack, and as you can see, there are tons of jobs right in my area for people who are looking for TV mounting services. So just look, December 16th, wall mount, another wall mount. Everything highlighted in yellow are customers who are looking for somebody to mount their TV for them. So there's tons of work on Thumbtack where you can be taking advantage of a simple service like this to be making tons of money every single day. And you can make anywhere between $100 to $300 every time you provide this service. And just imagine doing 5 of those per day. An easy way for you to make $1,000 or more every single day. Our next side hustle is going to be a serious money maker, and that is buying wholesale pallets. Did you know that all the big name brand stores have liquidation sales? So stuff that they cannot sell and they need to clear off the shelves, what they do is they offer these products on a pallet that you can buy at a deep discount. There might be thousands of dollars of products on these pallets that you can buy for pennies on the dollar. You can buy products from Walmart, Target, Amazon, and a lot of the big box retailers out there have programs for liquidation. The process is pretty simple. You buy a liquidation pallet, you break it down, you can relist those products online on places like Facebook Marketplace, OfferUp, eBay, just to name a few. But this is a great way for you to change your financial future without the need of a retail outlet. All right, so this is B-Stock. This is a wholesale liquidation center. You can buy and flip pallets. And there are a lot more like this out there. And you can see right here, they have some laptops, for instance. They're 5 laptops. The retail price on them is around $5 grand. The current bid on them is $600. So if you win this bid, then that way you can go ahead and buy this small pallet of laptops and make a really good profit margin just from buying and flipping pallets. And there's tons of liquidation products that you can purchase on pallets for you to have inventory to buy and flip online. And that brings us to our final side hustle. Now this side hustle is pretty dear to me. When I decided to leave my 9-to-5 job and start working from home, This is how I made my first $50,000 online. Again, we're diving into the world of e-commerce, but this time we're focusing on cellular phone devices. With the constant upgrade cycle, there is a steady market for pre-owned cell phones. Think about it. Who do you know that does not have a cell phone? Today, your 5-year-old kid has a phone. Your 85-year-old grandmother has a phone. There's almost no one across the globe who does not own a cell phone right now, unless you're like Amish or something. So the process for this is pretty simple. There are some really good wholesalers out there that you can buy name brand devices like Samsung, Apple, LG, Nokia, and you can get these phones at wholesale pricing and then list those devices on places like eBay, Facebook Marketplace, Poshmark, just to name a few. Not only can you get pre-owned devices, you can also get new devices as well if you want to go the extra mile and get you a reseller's permit, which will allow you to buy wholesale in bulk from some of the big distributors. But this is how I made my first chunk of money online. I focused on pre-owned cell phones that were A stock, meaning you can hardly tell that they've been used. They just did not come in a retail box, but they looked really, really good and they were 100% functional. I would then take those phones and relist them on eBay. And before I know it, I was making thousands of dollars a day by buying and reselling phones. I'm gonna give you a secret hack. The same platform that I use in order to buy pre-owned cell phones, never have to touch them and have them shipped directly to the customer once the order is placed. All right, so this is what everybody's been waiting for. This is the actual website that I used to make my first $50,000 online, buying and flipping mobile phones and tablets. So with this website, DigiCircle, you can basically come here and buy pre-owned devices. So you can buy these devices, you can either buy them and then they'll ship them to you, and you can either sell them locally or you can sell these online. And they have another program that if you want them to ship the product, you will basically be able to order the devices and then they will basically hold those devices in their warehouse. And when a customer places an order, they will then ship that product out to the customer. Then you'll earn that override on whatever you sold the device for. But if you look at their website, there are tons of devices in really great condition that you can buy wholesale and then turn around and mark that up and sell it back online on somewhere like eBay or Facebook Marketplace. If you look right here, there's a Samsung Galaxy right here, S23 Ultra. Okay, the wholesale price is $720. The list price for it is $849. So there's a nice little profit margin for you right there. So it's very easy for you to be selling 10 to 50 phones every single day using this method. eBay is a great marketplace where people like to buy cellular phone devices, and now with sites like OfferUp and Marketplace becoming so popular, the opportunity for you to be able to grow your business is just unlimited. And there you have it, folks, a comprehensive guide to some seriously profitable side hustles that you can get started today. I'm interested to know which one of these side hustles you're interested in. Drop me a comment on this video and let's talk about it. Until next time, keep up the hustling and turning your dreams into a reality. Remember, if you're gonna make money online, make it like a Smith.